Hey guys, what's happening? So, this is my little boy Dylan. He and I cook together a lot at home, and he had the idea of maybe videoing some of these and showing you guys what we do. So, I'm gonna teach him today, and we're gonna make some Irish brown soda bread scones. Super easy, we make them all the time. So we're gonna make a quick recipe, show them to you guys, enjoy it, and we're gonna go get ready, yeah? Let's go. 3 things. Safety goggles,
Don't know why we have them.
chef hat,
Don't know why I have them.
and ingredients.
We need them.
And that's it. So we have white flour,
Of course.
whole wheat flour,
Of course.
baking soda,
Of course.
and salt,
Of course.
and buttermilk.
Of course.
5 ingredients,
Cup 2. Of course.
simple as that. This is what we're gonna do.
So simple.
2 cups of flour,
2 cups of buttermilk.
1, 2, 2 cups of white, 2 cups of whole wheat flour,
2 cups of buttermilk. Get it all done inside.
Now, the reason I'm putting the white flour and the baking soda into the sieve is to get out any lumps that are in there. So we got 2 and 2.
What about the lumps inside there?
It doesn't matter, it's a good question. We got 1.5 teaspoons, because there's no lumps in there. 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda into the white. We do this.
Shake it all up.
Okay, so any lumps that are left over will all come through. Sometimes there's some grains in there. Done. Then we put a pinch of salt. Boom. Okay. Clean hands. Mix the 2 flours, baking soda, salt together. Wait.
While he's doing
Wait.
that-
Okay, now what happens?
While he's doing that, we're gonna pour all of that in
2
nice
cups of
and-
buttermilk.
Nice and gently.
Nice and gently. Keep one hand out of the bowl and one hand to mix. So you create, okay, put your sleeves up. Hands, claw, and then while you're, you keep, well ideally, you mix some of the outside in, you don't throw it all over me. You donkey.
It's what I like to do.
Come on, mix. Mix the bread.
Come on. Oh my god.
So you want to bring everything together into a bowl, right? So once you mix it all together, spill it out into a board, and then you're going to form it into a ball. Little flour,
You want to get your baking tray ready with that little napkin
and the only reason we're making scones is why?
because we're Irish.
Yeah, that's not the reason at all.
Well,
the
I'm
reason
not
we're making scones is because we can eat them in smaller amounts.
Yeah.
Just going to cut them, sort of random shapes, but all sort of the same size. So the reason I like scones also is because they're portioned for the kids. It's good rather than having a loaf. They can just take one and snack on it. There we go. 450, Bob's tray, straight in, 12 minutes. Alrighty, let's check them out. So these were in for 14 minutes, beautiful color.
Yeah.
Now, Dilly, do you know how we tell them how they're done?
With a little.
You turn it over,
Yes.
and what do?
You tap on it to
Do
see
it.
if it's hollow. That's done.
So
That
it should
is hollow.
sound hollow. So you pick the biggest one, and you knock on the bottom.
And you-
Hollow. Cooked. Hot, coming through, hot. Alrighty, let's grab one of these guys. Oh man, look at that, look how soft that is. Easiest way to eat this is to smear it with some nut butter. Pecan butter, preferably. You want to taste though? Oh boy.
You can order
Stop it.
that pecan butter online.
Online, you want to taste? Look at that. Look how brilliant that is, watch. Isn't that delicious? Now, there you go.
Or my little app.
We'll see you next time. Send us in some ideas in the comments if you want us to make something, and we'll get a recipe together and we'll post it for you. See ya.